All right. You can't see my watch. There you go. These are the old elevators. The Hyatt garage. The Hyatt Regency parking garage here in Rochester. It's coming down for us. You want to go up?
I'm scared.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Here it is. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Here it is. Let's see here. We're going to take it to the roof.
Let's say it's quiet today.
Quiet day here today.
Have a rough start. Or you don't pick it up.
Well, hold on.
Not bring it up.
No, it's okay. No, please don't on camera.
On the roof. On the roof.
Do you want to go out or just keep going
Just
down?
keep going down.
Okay, we're going to take it back to the ground floor.
I can get out
Sure.
and go towards your mom.
Yeah, I'd say go back. I would probably say go back. It's the only original
Can you
Haughton
take me back
left.
to your mommy? I'll be more safer.
Of course, baby.
Look it.
Yeah, that's becoming a little unsafe there. Haughton fixtures.
Oh, let's put that to your mom. We're scared, aren't we?
There it goes, and that's it.
Are you scared?